Alright guys, so the day is here. Today I'm going to be picking up my brand new Kawasaki Ninja 400. It's matte blue. You guys will see everything in the dealership. I'm kind of just like a little anxious right now. But yeah, so I'll be showing you guys like the dealership kind of, and then like, you know, me getting the bike, probably like a little bit of the ride home if my friend records that, and then I'll go through and sit down like why I bought this bike out of all the other bikes, like why I bought a new one instead of a used one, and like all that shenanigan. So I will be explaining all that towards the end of the video. I'll also throw in some, we'll be going to the gym, I'll ride the bike to the gym, but yeah, and then I'll show you guys like how my gear looks and keep you guys updated on that. So for right now, I'll catch you guys at the dealership. Deuces. Alright, just got back from the ride, from the dealership back. Shit, this gear is no joke. It's fucking heavy and fucking hot as fucking here. But anything that keeps you safe while you ride such dangerous things. But yeah, let me give you a little tour of the bike. Let me see. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The fucking this is the diameter, all that shit. Clutch, brake, front brake, kill switch, ignition, gas tank. Yeah, my helmet, the lights, exhaust. Might change the exhaust in the future.
Let me ride the bike.
Yeah. He's gonna.
You don't need a helmet, so
You're just gonna get on it?
see how it makes that noise? I think it's gonna blow up.
It's the fuel. Yeah. It's priming.
Priming for me, guys. It's priming. So first, you need your backpack. I don't know why it doesn't have a backpack. You know, every bike needs a backpack. You know that.
Chill, I'm working on it.
Helmets are optional, of course.
The only safety gear you need is a backpack. Just kidding. That is not true. You need to wear
Only safety gear you need are, let's see, I'm trying to think. Pants are optional.
Might as well just
I
ride
do
naked.
recommend wearing some slippers.
Just so your feet don't get hot.
Just so your feet don't get hot and stink throughout the ride, you know, in your socks. So I definitely wear some chocolates. Your mom's favorite chocolate, go ahead and wear those. Yeah. Dude, how was the ride?
I'll fix it later.
It shows up.
It won't.
And post.
Alright, let's load some fucking weight on this bitch. I'm off like.
Wow, that's so big, bro.
What are we gonna hit next?
What's the thing?
Yeah, let's do. No, this is the thing, but you want to skip out like a solid chunk, right? Alright, leg extension, seated leg curls, the 2 hip abduction and adduction machine, and calf raise. Alright, let's go to the other side. Guys, I drank too much caffeine and I'm speaking so fast and my heart's racing. I don't drink caffeine like this, bro. I am fucking going through it right now. But hopefully that'll be fine. Oh look,
leg press.
we'll switch on and off. You do this one, I'll do this one.
Oh, we have this too here.
Yeah, we'll switch on and off.
What?
Alright. You do this, I do this.
Now?
We'll switch on and off, yeah.
I thought this was for the end of the workout.
I mean, calf raises. It doesn't matter what order we go. Alright. I literally hate you.
It's not what you said, it's the way you said it. Type 5 the flash and bar.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Spread the cheese. I feel so small.
You are.
Get out of here. I'm not small. First of all, why are you doing bitch weight? Like, let's get some 70s in here.
You're good. Wow.
Wow. Not kidding. Alright, so I mentioned in the video that I was gonna talk about why I bought this bike out of all, like, you know, the 400, the 600 cc's and like the 1000 cc. So the reason I bought this one was because for me it made the most sense. Like, I'm still learning. I dropped the bike like twice already, so it's had a little bit of damage. So like, I don't know, like spending $7,000 was more. I could have got a used bike, but I just didn't feel like I could trust somebody in buying their own bike, in buying a bike off of them, because I do want to keep the bike in the long run. I don't have any plans on selling it, so any such damage or anything, like, I'll just fix and just keep it with me. So it's not like I'm gonna sell it to anybody, but you know, I wanted something light. It's not even light, but like, it's on the lighter end, and like, it feels pretty good. I just sat on a bike and it was one of the only bikes I felt like this was the right choice for me. But yeah, I mean, just go with a bike that like you guys resonate with and you guys actually like. So no matter what it is, like, yeah, sure, my bike is not the quickest bike on the lot, but I have fun with it, and that's all that matters. But I just wanted to tell you guys why I bought it, and like, why I made those decisions, because this video was about the motorcycle. So I'll throw in some clips after this. But that's basically gonna be the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah, watch out who you work with. None of these niggas that come to my castle, swear to God niggas be lurking. They be looking for the leasing pipelines. Beating this beat with a hotline. Arms getting strong, call me Papa. I've been doing this since the juvenile. Yeah, build an enterprise in myself. Never really needed niggas' help. I'm just asking for moral support. This game been cutting.